Rick, your first take, please, sir.
I mean, the number's impressive. I mean, the economy, we know from all the other data, the economy is improving significantly, and we know employment's going to come back, but the pace, and particularly a couple of points, if you take obviously the hospitality, leisure and hospitality, impressive. Temporary hiring, which again, we saw last month, impressive. This suggests that we're going to see a big number next month as well. And in fact, the one thing we think about, when you take what happened to the weather this past month, and you look at the construction number, which was negative, we know there is huge hiring happening in construction. So if you put that on top of this number, pretty darn strong, and you're going to get a strong number, assuming no major disruption, weather, et cetera, you're going to get a strong number again next month. So the acceleration of employment is clearly on its way.
Texas reopening, a $1.9 trillion plan potentially coming as well, Rick. These numbers could be strong in the months to come. Is there anything that you think could challenge the credibility of the Fed in the months to come?
So, John, it's a great question. So listen, I think we were pretty early about saying this economy is going to surprise on the upside, and we're going to see a 7% GDP. I think you're going over a 7% GDP now. These numbers are going to be impressive, and like you say, the pent-up demand is going to be strong. Listen, I think the Fed, one of the markets, the reason why you're getting this disruption in the markets is illiquidity in the markets. By the way, the paradox of the illiquidity of markets, despite the fact there's massive liquidity in the system, is the fact the uncertainty is high as to how the Fed reacts to a rapidly accelerating economy as we're seeing. So this next FOMC meeting is going to be important, and then people are going to want to see a plan, or at least a discussion of what that plan would look like. The markets hate uncertainty, and you're seeing that disrupt in the market quite a bit.